Alright YouTube, here's another video. Didn't have to wait till next week to make this one. There's the finished product, the Motegi Traklite MR145 3.0 on the Suzuki with 245, 45, 17 Firestone, Firehawk, Indy 500 tires. Absolutely amazing. Almost perfect fitment if I say so. There's the other side there. I'll try not to have my shadow in the picture because of the sun. There's the side view there. I think I outdid myself with these wheels over the Koenig Ultraforms. Being 8.5 inches wide. This is as best as you're going to get for a Suzuki without modifying anything. I drove it up to this place to take the video and some pictures, and didn't purposely pound over any potholes or anything, but over normal bumps or whatever, didn't hear anything. So I think I lucked out with it not hitting the wheel well moldings and whatever, but I'm going to keep my eye on it the next few weeks that I'm going to drive the car and see how it is. And there you go. So basically 17 by 8.5 plus 42 fits a Suzuki SX4 no problem. And this car is also lowered with IPOC lowering springs. I have camber bolts in the front suspension, so when I did my alignment, the guy put about -1.1 degrees of camber in. I had -1 before, so I went a little bit more in just to give me that little cushion just in case. And you know, if you saw the last video, the tire wear on these tires, they're 4 years old now, not even an issue. So very happy with the setup, and this is the bomb if I say so myself. All right, I'm gonna drive the car a little bit more, have to do a retorque on the wheel nuts. Speaking of the wheel nuts, the extended thread tuner nuts are on the car. They work perfectly, no problems at all. See, there you go, there's the front wheel there. There's the back wheel, everything clears, no problem. All right, okay, thank you YouTube, leave a like, make a comment if you want. I'll be back with more videos down the road. All right, thank you, have a good day.